good, bro. I think so.
We are in my first farm stand. This is specifically for us to have more experience, and we've just been harvesting every week and we've been bringing it to market.
You want to pick them yourself? I don't mind.
For example, tomatoes. We know what type of tomatoes they're liking, and we're gonna look for that in these high tunnels that we have and try to bring that over here. And if we see that something's not selling as much, why? Can we change the price? Can we make it a different presentation? But that's something that we're gonna be working on throughout the week to see what can we do better. Less waste, more sales. So that's what we're trying to get better at, how to bring more people in. Appreciate it, have a good day. Of course, this goal is to give the students experience on what it would be like to be in a farm stand, just to get the process and see how you would set one up, and also just to see what people like, what they don't like, how to keep track of your sales, how to sell, get experience on all of that, so that I can know what I need to do when I'm ready to go out there on my own. Learn how to price, learn how to prepare all the bunches, what other people are selling it for. So all of that is preparing me for the future.